Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hear me yell when you make.
Hey y'all, so let's go ahead and get right into this look. Now, not too much because I know I look different from the intro to now, but we gonna get to that intro look in a minute. So I'm gonna moisturize my lips because I don't know what y'all gonna be doing. I don't know if y'all gonna be kissing, doing anything, going on dates, date night, Valentine's Day. I don't know, but we want them lips to be nice and soft. Now, I did moisturize my skin, and if you guys want to see how I achieve these eyebrows, it's gonna be down below in the description box. But now back to the skincare. We're gonna go ahead and prime my face today. I want that nice hydrated look, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this primer on, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and then we're switching it up with my foundation. You guys know I be using an NARS, then I've jumped to the Fenty Easy Stick, and now I'm back to my Juvia's Place Radiant Foundation. I love this. It smells like freaking candy in a bottle. The coverage is there, hunty. You see me. So I just put that on my face, and I like to pre-blend my makeup. So you guys saw me kind of work the foundation into the base with my hands, and I just feel like it makes it easier for the blend. So you guys see, as I'm using this Paw Beauty Blender that I got from Amazon, I'm just tapping this onto my skin, and it is just literally melting. It's so easy, so quick. So do that. Even if you don't use your fingers rubbing your foundation, you can use a flat brush, but try to pre-blend your makeup, and you'll see how fast and easy and seamless it blends out. So right now I'm using my Hourglass concealer. This is my favorite concealer right now. e.l.f. Cosmetics had me in a chokehold. That camo concealer was really, really good. It is really, really good. But baby, you know, I had to let go of the $7 concealer and try out a damn near $40 concealer. But girl, I'm still on the same swipe. Like, I did one dip in the tube for one eye, and then I dipped again for the next eye. But then the rest of my face is just all the same dip. Like, this has so much product on there, and I just love that. So as I'm letting that concealer dry down, we're going to go ahead and jump back in with my Juvia's Place cream bronzer. And I took shade Caramel, as I showed you guys, and we're going to warm up the face. So for today's look, you guys see in the thumbnail and the intro, it's giving dramatic lips with a bold wing liner, but I really want it to look bronzed and then also very highlighted. So we really want to like level our face. We want it to be like just so eye-catching, and that's exactly what this did. So after I worked that bronzer on my forehead, my cheekbones, you know, I also went in with my nose, but I'm gonna do that later. Now we're gonna blend out this concealer after it's sat. And you guys see, I like to blend out the edges of my concealer first. And I like to take my time and just tap this into the skin, baby. Ooh, it just looks so yummalicious right now. Like, do y'all see what I'm seeing? Like, I don't know if I'm Delulu or this is for true because baby, it's eating, okay? So we're just tapping this into the face, and you really want to take your time because whether you're going out, you want to do this look for pictures, you want this your wedding look. I get all type of comments of why you guys watch my videos and my tutorials, but look at the face, girl. Yes, get into it. But whatever you're doing this for, really take your time with blending. This is where you want to spend most of your time. So after I blended out my edges, now you see me going directly under my eyes and blending it out, and I'm putting the rest of the concealer on my lid to kind of even out my skin tone. So now we're going to go ahead and take some liquid blush. Now this is the Juvia's Place liquid blush. Y'all, I love Juvia's Place because I use them so much. But this is in the shade Barbie Rose. This was the closest shade that I had to red. I kind of wanted a more red blush with this look because I have a red lip. But either way, the pink undertone still, it looked really good. It looked really, really good. So I'm keeping the blush on the high ends of my cheeks. And now we're going to go ahead and take the OneSize setting powder, and we're going to lock this face in, okay? Listen, you want to do all your creams, foundations, concealers, cream bronzers, cream concealers. I said that already, but you want to do all your creams first, and then you want to go in with your powders. We want to set that face. We want to set that cream so you're locked in. So whether you're doing anything, you want to go give your partner a hug. You don't want your face to literally print on their shirt. You want it to, you know, your face is locked in. Your face is not going nowhere, and your makeup can last for a long time. So I just put powder directly where I put the concealer, and any leftover powder that was on that sponge, I put that all over my face. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take this light brown shade. This is a face powder from Black Radiance, but it's a little dark for me, so I use that to kind of contour my nose as well, and then also just to add a little bit of color to my lid. I don't like an empty lid, so I'd rather just do that. So baby, get the knives out. I hope you got a band-aid, a first aid kit, something, because this liner did not come to play, okay? I wanted the most dramatic wing liner they had on the market, and that is what I did. So right now, I'm using my Milani Stay Put matte eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. I believe it's like $8 from Amazon. You guys can check it out in the description box for my Amazon storefront. But this liner dries down so matte, and I love a tip like this. This type of tip really, really helps. You see, I'm kind of going back and forth trying to make sure it's even. Liners sometimes act like eyebrows. Sometimes they're sisters, sometimes they're twins, sometimes they cousins, sometimes they friends, sometimes they enemies, girl. It just depends on what's going on that day. But today, baby, they said we are twin them, because they did their one, okay? I went very dramatic. I also have a video on my channel on how I do my wing liners. So if you're struggling with that, baby girl, definitely check it out. Here we're just lining my lips, and instead of going with a just full red on lip, I decided that I wanted to do kind of like a brown liner and eat the world up with that one, get into it. So I'm going to go back in with my Keep It On The Hush Cosmetics red liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Gigi. You guys done sold this company out the last time I put y'all on, and this is still hands down my favorite red shade. I don't like too much of a fire truck red. I kind of like that. It's brighter than wine, I guess, bloody kind of, you know. I like that kind of, I don't know, this shade is just so perfect to me. So this is just what it's giving. Like, yeah, get into it, period. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so obsessed. Like, this is so freaking pretty. Of course, you don't have to do like such a dramatic wing for your Valentine's Day look, but Valentines, here we come. Let's go ahead and put some mascara on, because whew, I'm obsessed with this look. I look so good, and I can't wait to go do my hair, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna look so good today. I'm so excited. You guys know I love my YSL mascara. That mascara is the truth. I'm not gonna put too much on though. I just want to coat it so my lashes blend today. But we want them bottom lashes to be popping now. So now we're just closing up the bottom lashes. As you guys heard, I want my bottom lashes to be popping. Definitely pay attention to your bottom lashes if you are not doing a bottom liner. With this look, I'm not doing a bottom liner, so I want my bottom lashes to be popping. But if I did a bottom liner, I still would do my bottom lashes, but I wouldn't have took as much time because, girl, you barely see my lashes. But after I pop my lashes on, okay, my love, so this is definitely giving Valentine's Day glam, but I do need to go fix my hair because the hair is not giving. So I'm about to go get my hair done to really give you guys the full vibe, the full look, the full energy of Valentine, Galentine, date night, girls night, all the above. With a flawless red lip and big dramatic lashes and big dramatic wings, period. So I'll see you guys in a second. Yes, my girl. So this is the final look. I did go ahead and get my hair done. This unit, I'll have a video on it soon if you are interested. But baby, this was giving classy, girl. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like, please comment down below, spam the comments, and let me know if you guys like this look as much as I did, because I got so much compliments, my girl. Like, they ate it down in person. It eats down on camera. And I hope y'all liked it. So if you made it this far in my video, baby girl, don't forget to comment down below this emoji that just popped up on the screen. That's going to be the secret emoji. If you haven't already, go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. We are very lit on this side, and the girls just love it here. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up just so I know you guys like this type of content. I love you guys so much. You guys are my girls, and my girls is my world, and I just love y'all. So I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.